So I'd been toiling over what I could do to test out the global shutter of the new RED Komodo. I knew I wanted something with a lot of action, whip pans, quick movements, but also wanted to do something that hadn't already been done. And then it dawned on me. I live out here in the Super Bowl of the filmmaking community, Los Angeles, California, the home of major studios that have put out countless action blockbuster films. But who are the heroes of those gigantic epic movies? The stunt performers. So I put an ad out on Craigslist explaining I was looking for some of Hollywood's most badass stuntmen, and that my hopes were to document them in their natural environment, capture a day in the life of their high-level training. And I got lucky. A man by the name of Rip contacted me to let me know that him and his associate, Jamie Lamont, were preparing for their next film, The Pumpkin Snatchers. So I loaded up my Komodo and AKS kit and met them deep in the valley. And that's when things got a little weird.
6'2", 215 pounds, Rip Jism! Yeah, Rip Jism, 6'2", 215, whole lot of beef, whole lot of meat. Really hoping, just find love on this, we're gonna do some action stunts, hopefully get my creds up on IMDb. See?
Now, it was obvious to me right away that these two men were not, in fact, real stunt performers.
Just got out of San Quentin a few months ago. My PO said this would probably be a good exercise for me.
But the crazy thing is, their coach was, and she was, in fact, badass. Her name is Whitney Ortega, and she's been on some big TV shows like Lucifer and NCIS, just to name a few. So I thought to myself, all right, Justin, let's just see how this pans out.
We're gonna start with rolls and acrobatics. Super simple, basic, okay? Make it pretty. Go.
Do you think we can do that? Yeah. You first.
I think it'd be really important if I already showcased you the kind of abilities I have, because I'm pretty athletic and pretty limber. See that? So I think you should check this out. Watch. 3, 2, 1, hut!
You hold the board.
Did she see it? Did she see it? Is she looking? Is she looking?
I'm gonna get some more coffee.
Jamie still may kiss me. What'd you think?
We were supposed to use that later.
Yeah, we used it. You can use it again.
But as it is with most big Hollywood films, the day did actually end up with somewhat of a happy ending. Rip convinced Whitney that there was a pretty aggressive kissing scene in The Pumpkin Snatchers.
This would be a great love scene if I reacted from the punch into the love scene.
But Jamie got pretty jealous after seeing that.
Do you want? What's up? You want to work in Super Class?
Forward roll!
Hey guys.
Fluffing up for...
You're fluffing him, yeah.
Well, speaking of Whitney, she said she was cool to trade contacts with you guys before she leaves.
She's looking at my contact!
So as it turns out, that was in fact Whitney's first day as their coach. And I'm pretty sure it's probably going to be her last. Actually, I feel like she was just doing it as a charity case to begin with anyways.
Today was a nightmare. My mommy and me class of toddlers could have done better than you. My grandma is more flexible than you.
Ouch.
That's a wrap. You guys have no career. Get out of my face. Have a good day.
My PO said that this was.
Get out.
Oh.
This rips.
You guys need to leave too.
So that was about the time I rolled up out of there. But anyways, Rip, Jamie, Whitney, thank you all for inviting me to your very intense, highly strange, unorthodox stuntmen training. And I wish you all much success on your future film, The Pumpkin Snatchers.